Hey guys, this is Sweet April 11 and today I'll be making gingerbread cupcakes. A few cupcakes that will give you a warm Christmassy feeling. For this recipe you will need 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of golden caster sugar, 3 eggs, 150 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So let's get baking, shall we? To start this recipe, grab a bowl and pour in your butter, milk and sugar and whisk with an electric whisk. If you don't have an electric whisk, use a wooden spoon, but this might take a bit longer. After this is done, crack the 3 eggs and put it inside the bowl. Whisk it until it has created a liquidy mixture. If you're using a wooden spoon, crack the eggs into a separate bowl and whisk with a fork. Add it to your butter and sugar mixture. Beat well. Combine your flour, baking powder, ground ginger and cinnamon and sift to create a smooth and soft mountain. Bring out your wooden spoon and slowly fold in your dry ingredients. To make this section less messy, add it in small parts to create no lumps. Grab a bun tray and lay out 12 paper cases, evenly divide the mixture and off to the oven. And there we go, a few gingerbread cupcakes ready to be served. Please like and subscribe. I'm Sweet April 11 and I hope you have a good day. Bye!